Little review on some things that we've been working on with fractions. In this example, we have 1/3 times 5. Who thinks they know what we need to do in order to multiply that problem?
Put a 1 under the 5.
Very good. Because in math, we have all sorts of invisible things that we need to learn about. One of them is this invisible one that's always underneath a whole number. It makes it a lot easier for us to multiply fractions if they're both fractions. Or multiply numbers if we're doing fractions by making them both into fractions. Because when we multiply, we just multiply what?
Straight across.
Straight across. So if I take 1 times 5 and 3 times 1, now I'm able to reduce my improper fraction here. How am I going to do that? Who's going to help me reduce it? K squared. No? Got ya? What would you do to reduce this fraction? Okay, I'm guessing you'd probably throw some tallies up there.
You put the 5 under the 3.
Do that. Or we can look, it's smaller on the bottom, so we're going to group it by that amount, or that number, the 3. I'm going to take my 3. Okay, now I've only got 2, so I can't group again. My whole number is how many groups I had. 1. How many tallies are left on top? 2 and 3 on the bottom. Okay, one way to do it. Did we end up with 1 2/3?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Good, good. Alright. Today we're going to do Latavia's way. Over here. How did you go about answering this one?
Well, you have to do the flip, switch, solve, reduce.
No, not this one. What did you do?
I didn't do it.
Oh, you didn't do this one?
Okay.
Alright, she was talking about a way to do this
Well,
yesterday,
yeah.
which will work, okay? In this situation, we're looking for our fractions to have a common denominator. Okay, so I'm going to multiply my fraction so that they both have 8 as a denominator. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8, 1 times 4, 4. Right, this is my new fraction here. So I'm able to add my fractions together. 1 plus 4, 5. My bottom does what? Stays the same. And I have to remember my whole number. Okay? You can do that. Now, here's what you were talking about. What's it called?
The flip, switch, solve, reduce.
Alright, what are we flipping?
The half.
Okay. Flip it upside down, right?
We switch the division to multiply.
Alright. And then we multiply, right? Multiplying, we just multiply.
Straight across now.
Okay, 3 times 2, 8 times 1. So we flipped, we switched, we solved. Now we need to reduce. These are both even numbers, right? So if they're both even numbers, what can we divide by? 2. Okay, so 6 divided by 2, 3. 8 divided by 2, quattro. Alright, and for reducing improper fractions, I'm going to rewrite this down here where we have room. 60 over 7. Okay. How do we reduce it? Alright, so we're going to do long division. There's one way. If If we have big numbers, it's easier for us to do long division. And to remember which number goes inside and which one goes outside, we need to drop the top number down.
2, it's great.